please get 2 McDoubles, no pickles, extra onions, extra ketchup, extra ketchup. No, that's extra onion, no pickle. Small fry, and that will be it. Thank you.